How to fix WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone. Hey guys, so let's just go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application and let's click on settings right here at the bottom right hand corner and click on notifications right here. Now, as you can see, there is a warning status at the top part of my screen that says push notifications are disabled. So to enable it, it gives us these instructions. So we should just actually follow these instructions because turning all these toggle buttons right here won't make a difference and the notifications will probably still not work. So to fix that, as per instructions, let's go home, click on settings right here. I'm just going to go back to the pages to show you. And from here, let's click on notifications. Let's scroll down and you should be able to see a list of your apps listed in alphabetical order. So just look for WhatsApp right here, click on WhatsApp. And as you can see, it is currently turned off. So just simply allow the notifications from this app by clicking on this toggle button right here. And you can then customize the alerts that you want to receive. You can receive it through your lock screen, notification center, and banners. You can do that, and let's click on WhatsApp notification settings right here to take us back to the WhatsApp notifications settings, and make sure that you have enabled all of these as you prefer. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.